The issue of overvoting, they spoke only on the units, not the entire local government. And so if there is an overvoting in a particular unit, when it was taken to the Ward Collation Center, it was cancelled. But the funniest thing is this: when a result came from a unit and the issue of overvoting was spelled out at the unit level, it got to the ward level and it was cancelled.
And if you notice, all the witnesses that the third respondent has brought before the tribunal, counsel has made sure that during cross-examination, we confirm as a testimony from the witnesses that there was overvoting. From Esan Northeast to Akoko-Edo to Oredo and now Owan West. And I am very pleased with the response of the witnesses, especially for the one we just had now, Owan West, who was able to substantiate our claim in 3 different models that there was overvoting in Owan West local government area. So for us, we are pleased and we are hopeful that they bring this kind of witnesses again tomorrow.